Hello there. We're doing websites today, showing you the websites that we have available. The websites that we have available at a ridiculously inexpensive price is home services such as landscaping, cleaning, roofing, home services, flooring, HVAC, plumbing, and electrician. So if you're in any of those businesses and you don't have a website, or your 16-year-old niece or nephew made the website for you, take a look at what we've got to offer you right now. This is the HVAC website. It's pre-made, and you just put your, we will do this for you, of course. We'll put your logo on the top, your phone number, your email address, and this is what your website will look like when somebody goes on it. Buttons on the top, taking them to different categories. A contact us form on the right side of the page. They could fill out their form and you get back to them. I want you to notice this gray bar going down the side. This will give you an idea how long the website actually is. If you were to print this out, it would be a couple of feet. Pictures all the way down. Now you can change the pictures if you want. You just tell us which pictures you want to change and give us pictures of your crew or your company about the same size as the ones we have here, and we can replace them before we give you the site. Buttons all over the place to do things. Schedule a service. If they click on that, they wind up with going to your calendar, or a call button. Read more will take you to a page with about twice as much print as you see there. These buttons here are maintenance. I call them maintenance buttons. They tell you how to take care of your equipment at home so you don't have to call a plumber or an HVAC guy. So if I click on this one, for instance, heating, that's going to take you to a page on how to do things yourself so you don't have to call the maintenance man. On the bottom of every page, if you accept people coming to your office, there's a map. If you don't have people coming to your office, you only make house calls for whatever your service is, then there is no map. And of course, on the bottom, there's all the contact information. I'll go over these very quickly. The About Us page. We'll show you pictures and text of what you do, what you want the customers to know about. Your services page. There's different services that you offer, a little article about them, and what you can do for them. The gallery is pictures. You can put up to 35 pictures on the gallery. This is page 1 of the gallery. Page 1, page 2, page 3. We can do pictures in each side, and if you click on a picture, the picture blows up, so you can actually get a good look at the picture. We'll click on the news page, and that comes up with articles. Articles that you can pull out of your trade journals, you can pull them out of the newspaper, whatever you think the person might be interested in, and you can change these articles as often as you want to. We recommend changing at least one article about once a month, and that keeps your site looking fresh. And the contact page, your name, address, phone number, the customer's name, address, phone number, message, submit, and you call the customer back at your convenience. And if you're a member of Facebook, Google My Business, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, we'll put your links on the top panels. If there's something that you're not a member of, we just take that one off. These websites are ridiculously inexpensive because basically what we do, we have these pre-made, and when you order one, we're going to change the pictures to be your pictures. We're going to change the text to be your name, address, your logo, things like that. If there's pictures you don't want changed, that's fine also. We can leave the pictures up here that are there. We do custom websites also, but these are so ridiculously inexpensive. It's for companies that, in this day and age, 2023, if you don't have a website right now, or your website was made by your stepsister, Um, this is the website you should use.